guys, my name is Sebastian, and today we're going to be checking out the Intrepid V2 frame from Airblade. They come in 4 different models, 4 of which are micro class, and then the 5th one is a 5-inch. The 5-inch is completely different. It has a bigger body and bigger arms, and I won't really be covering that one today. The one that I have is the 3-inch light. It comes with M2 screw holes in a 9mm stud pattern. 3-inch Pro comes in M2 screw holes with a 9mm stud pattern and a 12mm stud pattern. The 4-inch comes in M2 and M3 screw holes with a 12mm stud pattern. The 3 and 4-inch also come with a Model T support on the arms as well, so you can cable tie an Immortal T antenna straight to the arm. Building the frame itself was really easy. The only thing that kind of got me was just putting the arms on. They are curved, so you can put them on 2 different ways, and I think it's just so you can get the props out of you one way and maybe have like a bit of space in between the props the other way. If you get them wrong, it's no big deal. You just take out 2 screws and just flip it the other way. It's really easy. The frame allows for a mini size cam, and it also has support for 2 20x20 stacks. You can fit your LiPo traditional style, or it also has 2 little battery holders here if you want to mount it toilet tank style. It also supports a GoPro. I'm going to be chucking the Hero 5 Session onto it. It's very heavy, so I'll be pretty interested to see how that one goes. The quality of the carbon is really nice. It's laid the right way, and it seems to be really stiff when you try to give it a bend test as well. It's not like an Astro X kind of feel or like a hyperlow where it's chamfered and the carbon's really matte and premium. I would say it's probably a 7 or 8 out of 10. The standoffs that Airblade sent out to you are 20mm. I couldn't help but to change these over to black standoffs. It just looks so much more stealthy. Shoutouts to Quad Racer for that one. It also supports 15mm and 10mm. You can see here it has little notches in the carbon on the side plate. That's so your top plate can move down to the 20 to 15 to 10mm standoff if you do wish to make it a little bit shorter. Personally, I'm going to stay with 20mm because all my other quads, like all my hyperlows are at 20mm, so I like that feel and I want to kind of keep that consistent with all my quads. Overall, I'm really impressed with this quad and I can't wait to build it in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye!